This is the 8th video of the section, performing a logistic regression analysis. In the previous video, we learned how to apply the Gaussian model for generalized linear regression. In this video, we'll demonstrate how to perform binomial logistic regression to create a classification model that can predict binary responses on a given set of predictors. Previously, we've discussed how to use fit data into linear model of continuous variables. In addition, we can use the Logistic model in generalized linear models to predict categorical variables. Similar to linear regression analysis, logistic regression is used to predict the response, or dependent variable, based on a set of predictors, or independent variables. Linear regression is used to predict continuous variables, while logistic regression analysis is best suited to predicting variables of binary outcome. A logistic model is a type of generalized linear regression model, and its response follows binomial distribution. To let the probability of the response always take a value between 0 and 1, the logistic regression model uses the log-add ratio, or logit, to transform the dependent variable. Logit can be formulated as the equation here. Here, the ratio of p times x to 1 minus p times x refers to the odd ratio, and 0b and 1b represent the coefficients. Following the logit equation, we can formulate the probability of the response in the following equation. Plotting the logistic function into a line chart yields the following graph, in which the response of a logit model always takes the value between 0 and 1. Before starting any of it, you have to download the customer.csv file from this link that I'm showing you. Make sure you save the file in the directory of the RStudio. And you know how to get your directory. Type getwd in the editor. You'll save the file here. Now that we're ready, we can start. First, we read customer.csv that we just saved into an R session. Now let's see the structure of customer. We can see 100 objects and 5 variables, and also variables like gender, age, bi, etc. Now let's fit the customer data into an R session using GLM function. Next, we use the summary function to obtain the summary of fitted model. I'm getting a warning here. No need to worry about that for this instance. Here's the summary of logit fit. Then we use the predict function to obtain the prediction result. Let's do that. Finally, we use the table function to retrieve the confusion matrix. This is your confusion matrix. If you would like to know any alternative links you can use, you can refer to the family document via the help function. You can just use the question mark and you can see what objects you can use in the RStudio. In this video, we performed a logistic regression analysis. In the next video, we'll take a look at how to build a classification model with recursive partitioning.